Prince Rance Boxing.
Let's see the emblem, man.
Yeah,
there you go.
You gotta give us at least.
Prince Ranch.
We gonna give you.
So is that what you're you got any prospects coming out of Prince Ranch, or
we got a whole lot of prospects.
We got 15 guys that are 100 and 52 and 2 that are record.
Very impressive. How is it having the former heavyweight champion of the world as a mentor to these guys?
Oh, I can answer that for you. That's lovely. What more can you ask for? You got The Rock in the building all the time, talking to the guys, telling them the rights, the wrongs, the ins, the outs, the do's, the don'ts. You can't get no better than that.
But we two champs, right?
Yeah, we got. Hold on. Wait a minute. Stand up, Bo. Stand up. So now we got everything that they need. That's fine. Let me get that. There we go. All right, so we got everything we need. We got Greg, who's been around boxing forever. He done managed world champions. We got Bones and myself that been in the ring, that been through every type of adversity known to man. So we know the rights and the wrongs, the ins and outs. We know what not to do. So they don't have to fall in the same pitfalls and traps we fell in. All we can do is tell them and teach them and hope they adhere to what we said, so they don't have to fall in the same trap. Now, if it's a new trap invented, then we all gonna fall in. But we pretty much think we know all the traps. So we ready for these Prince Rance prospects to come on and take some titles. When we come in next year this time, you're gonna see us with about 4 or 5 of our champions.
That goes a long way, especially in this business, kind of being able to guide young fighters through the ins and outs and the pitfalls and things like that. Where can the fans kind of follow Prince Ranch? Like Instagram, Facebook? Where can you guys?
All over Prince Ranch, Instagram, Facebook, PrinceRanch.com. We got a store. You can order some good gear. Get into the gear. Soba. Don't forget Soba in the house fighting addiction with all the fighters, all our fighters at Prince Ranch.
We all support Soba.
Awesome. I got to get your take, man, on the heavyweight division. Obviously, the big fight everyone wants to see, Wilder versus Joshua. Do you see a clear-cut favorite in that fight?
Are you kidding me?
I mean, I don't know.
No way. You don't see a clear-cut favorite.
I mean, I don't, but maybe you did.
I mean, listen. When you got
see
two
stuff
guys,
I don't see, maybe.
You got two colossal guys like that. Both of them can punch. It's pretty much who lands first. Skill come into it, but when you can punch that hard, it's whoever lands first. And then it's going to be gut check time because they typically have the height and reach advantage over their opponent. That's not going to be the case. So it's going to really come down to a gut check. It's going to be a gut check. Both of them going to get hit harder than they ever been hit. So it's who responds the best. And then we'll see what happens in the rematch, see what the adjustments going to be. Because they will fight 3 times. And I think it's going to be a different winner in every fight.
Wilder had a bit of a gut check, definitely against Ortiz. Joshua had one against Klitschko. Did either one maybe impress you more than the other, or did you kind of see that they both kind of have it? They could both bite down and dig deep and get it?
I think they both passed the test. They both had different tests. I mean, Wilder fought a southpaw. That's just difficult in and of itself. Joshua got up off the canvas off of one of the greatest heavyweight champions in modern history. Klitschko had him, but he got up and he closed the show like a true champ. So I was highly impressed with both of those guys. I'm glad we got 2 undefeated prospects. It reminds me of when Riddick Bowe and Lennox Lewis was the champions at the same time. But I think this time, boxing fans gonna really see it come to fruition. They gonna fight. So I'm looking forward to it.
Gotta ask you, man, big fight coming up, Cinco de Mayo, Canelo versus Triple G, the second one. First, just what was your reaction when you found out about the clenbuterol situation with Canelo and that whole situation?
I mean, they said it was the meat. The meat was contaminated. What do you want me to say?
Is that, you're good with that?
Where's the meat?
You're good with the meat?
Where's the meat?
Where's the meat? Well, how does the second fight play out, man?
looked better than the first one.
Any clear-cut favorite?
I don't think it's a clear-cut favorite. I think I just want to see a good fight. To me, I don't have a horse. Prince Ranch don't have a horse in the race.
Right.
We just want to see a good fight. Right. We most likely gonna be there, and we just want to see a good fight. That's all we want to do. Now, I think the fans deserve to see a good fight. We don't want to see running. We don't want to see defense. I mean, I just want to see a fight. I want to see somebody get a piece of white meat knocked out their head or something. Just split that bone down to the white meat.
Spoken like a true heavyweight.
Exactly. Spoken like a true heavyweight.
I want to see some ribs get broken. I want to see somebody throw that guncho to the body and the rib get broken. That's what I want to see.
That's what we all want to see.
Cinco de Mayo, everybody gonna be there. It's gonna be nice and rowdy. People gonna be spending money. Let's go. Give us what we want to see. Y'all owe us that.
So the fans can follow at Prince Ranch Boxing on Instagram, Facebook. Yourself, Nazim, where can they follow you?
I just got an Instagram. They can just follow me. I'm just Hassan Rockman, Instagram.
There it is.
Check me out. Bones on there lifting some weights, getting stuck. So I need y'all to comment on. I need y'all to comment on that post, because that post will never come down. You know, I take posts down, but that one will never come down. He saw me lifting 225 real easy about 30, 40 times. So he tried to hop up under there and got stuck on the first one. That's it.
It was edited.
Can we cut now? Can we cut now? All I know is he got stuck on that post.
He edited it wrong.
We ain't talking about it 3-4 months later when you got stronger. We talking about that day.
Thank you so much, Nazim.
No
Appreciate
problem.
it. Thank you, guys.